Hello and welcome to Camperversions. Today I'm going to be giving you this walk around video on this 2022 plate T6.1 transporter. This van has got our Pioneer Explorer conversion with lots of additional extras. Let's take a look inside. We've got a standard in the Explorer, the rib bed with ice fixed point. This has got the fridge, sink, hob, 240 volt electrics, swivel seat, Eberspacher heater. We've also got the Starry Night ceiling as an optional extra in this one. We've also upgraded the Eberspacher to the timer controller, 7-day timer. The rib bed turns into a bed. Rib seat turns into a bed, sorry, as well as an additional bed in the pop-top roof space when the roof is lifted. The rib bed has exceptional amount of space in the back, giving you one huge boot space. Perfect for all your camping equipment. Itself has got air conditioning, cruise control, rear parking sensors, Apple CarPlay, and it's done 7,500 miles.